Knock, knock.
Welcome, hello.
Hello, Daniel. I have found our new home, okay? Check this baby out. This is our future kitchen. This is our future sink. This is our future living room. This video does not do this place justice. I'll save the best for last.
The skyline view.
Oh, that's for last. So this is the guest bathroom with a tub. This is it, Daniel. We found it. We found it. This is our master bedroom. The master bedroom, huge ceilings, exposed brick, beautiful light. This is our master bathroom, which, okay, I don't know where the light is, but let me find the light. Okay, so this is our master bathroom. Maybe not that. We have a shower. We have your sink. We have my sink. We have his and her back-to-back closets. All right, stay with me, stay with me, stay with me. We are moving into the guest bedroom / your office, and we will put your desk and setup on this wall, and the bed will go here, and it'll be a multi-use space. Beautiful light from this huge window. Okay, now for the kicker. These windows with a view of the skyline, which you can't tell because it's foggy, but look at this, Daniel. We can see downtown from here. And we have this cute little balcony. Okay, let's not fall. And here we are. We found it. We're home. We gotta move. We gotta move now. And
it's May 1st.
And they're ready May 1st. Woohoo! Okay, and there's parking. There's parking.